Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Pasta is one of my weaknesses. I find it's easy to make and also versatile. I can easily combine a few ingredients together and create new recipes, or simply duplicate the classic ones, like fettuccine alfredo, pasta alla norma, carbonara, penne alla vodka, lasagna, pasta al forno, and so on, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my spaghetti aglio e olio. This amazing recipe only needs 5 ingredients and 20 minutes later, dinner is ready. It's a great pasta dish to make on weeknights as well as when you're hosting a dinner because it's that delicious. So my friends, let's get cooking. This is a quick recipe, so before we start, let me highlight a couple things. Here we have 6 large cloves that we can thinly slice. Personally, I prefer pressing because I don't like to have a slice of garlic in my mouth. Plus, I detest slicing garlic. So that's why 99.999% of my recipes, the garlic is always pressed. But do what you prefer. Now, when it comes to parsley, we'll be using the leaves as well as the stems. I'm always surprised to see how many people discard them as they aren't aware how flavorful the stems are. We'll be using them in the oil. Alright, so when our mise en place is done, we can start cooking. In a large pot with boiling salted water, we'll add the spaghetti and cook according to the package directions, minus 1 minute. Meanwhile, in a large cold skillet, we'll add oil and then set the heat on medium. While it's heating up, we'll add pressed garlic and stir very well before adding half the amount of red pepper flakes, as well as the parsley stems. We'll stir the ingredients and let the oil mixture infuse for about 5 minutes. The most important thing about this recipe is to not burn the garlic. So if the heat is too high, reduce it to medium-low. And don't let the mixture simmer too much. See, my garlic starts turning golden, and that's perfect. As I said, it takes about 5 minutes to infuse the oil, but keep an eye on it and stir often. Next, we'll add a couple ladles of the pasta water and give a good stir. Again, we don't want the garlic to burn or get too brown, okay? We'll let it simmer gently for 2 minutes, and then we'll remove the parsley stems. We don't need them anymore. They did what they were supposed to do. At this point, the pasta should be almost done, so we'll transfer the noodles to the skillet. We'll most likely need more pasta water, so we'll keep about half a cup on the side. We'll gently toss them until nicely coated and also bring the heat back to medium. We'll cook for 2 minutes before tasting it. Mine wasn't quite there yet, and if it's the same with you, we just have to add more pasta water to the noodles. This recipe is not really an exact science. We have to taste and test until they're done. Before it happens though, we'll add the remaining half of the red pepper flakes and continue tossing until the spaghetti is cooked. When it's done, we'll sprinkle on the finely chopped parsley and toss very well until nicely blended. We'll transfer to serving plates and sprinkle on more red pepper flakes. And my friends, this is our spaghetti aglio e olio. Incredibly easy to make, this quick and tasty recipe is certainly a must-try. It's simple and yet so flavorful. With just a few ingredients, this budget-friendly Italian dish is sure to please both your taste buds and your wallet. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!